I forgot to film the intro to this, and I came in here and I was like, I knew that I feel like there's something else I wanted to do while I was still dressed up before I start taking it off. So basically, this is the finished look. If you want to learn how to do it, this would be great if you're doing like a Sanrio group because it's really subjective and you can kind of go as literal or as like fashion core as you want with it. And this is how I usually do it when I do Kuromi. You can do it for a convention or for just Halloween or for just whatever you want. Right, so for the outfit, you can kind of go as literal or as like fashion core as you want with it. I'm doing a little bit more fashion than I usually do. Like, you want to go like more literal, wear like all black, kind of like emotional pictures today. For these, so I'm just gonna go more like different. But I'm doing this black pleated skirt. This Kuromi shirt. It's bedazzled. It's from Hot Topic. That's from Shein. These kind of fishnets. They're really just like this vine floral pattern tights. This belt chain. Shorts underneath. This headband. Selling point. And this that I made. The pattern is on my Patreon, I think. But it's just this shape cut out like 8 times. I sewed the pom-poms on and then made this collar piece, and then it's a broadcloth and a lining, and then it's just held together with a snap on the back. So, oh shit, I have to put. Usually I would braid my hair, but it kind of looks decent today. So I don't really want to do that. I'm already gonna have to braid it tomorrow for work. So I'm just putting it in a little ponytail. I'm putting on a wig cap. I'm wearing a wig. And since my skin doesn't look like horrible right now, I'm just gonna use a little bit of the Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm using the color Porcelain.
She's got porcelain skin, of course she's a 10.
I put this wig headband on. I have a black one, and I don't really know where it is, which is a little bit concerning, but whatever.
샛별
kind of want to do a purple or pink look because Kuromi either wears purple or pink, sometimes both. But I like to do purple because usually the stuff I put on the outfit is purple. Antimatter right here, Intergalactic Jolie Beauty. I'm just going to crease. And then I'm going to take this shade called Intergalactic Planetary. It's just called Intergalactic. I'm going to brush that across my entire lid. That's like a purple-pink shift, so it's kind of perfect. Using an eyeshadow brush. This is the Care Bears Wet n Wild one. Isn't that cute? Next, I'm going to take a flat brush and use the shade Ultraviolet and go kind of just in the middle with it. It's this beautiful purple. Anytime I'm doing any kind of purple look, I always use it because it's so pretty. Very pretty. Okay. Next, get a little brush of a sort. Take a purpley white highlight for the inner corner. I'm using the shade Stardust. I'm just using this palette only for this, by the way. Alright. And then, here we're gonna do, get a black eyeliner and do just the littlest wing because I'm using false lashes and I want the false lashes to blend in, and Kuromi does have like a line on her eye. It's like the only makeup she actually has. Okay, general rule of makeup, one eye always has to look significantly better than the other. One is always going to look a little bit worse, especially when you already have astigmatism and one of your eyes is literally a different shape than your other eye. Because one is more like a cone and one is whatever. Next, we're going to do the eyebrows. So I'm taking an angled brush in black. And we're just gonna go, cause I'm wearing a black wig. If you're just wearing your hair, I would do like a color your hair, whatever. Next, we gotta do the rest of this quickly. So, highlighter, purple, Caught in Your Web, Wet n Wild. I just use my finger. Put it on your nose. Put it up here. Stick next, because I have to stick my finger in my mouth. This is the Lime Crime Black Velvet. Love this one. It doesn't transfer super easily. It dries down pretty matte. So
what the hell?
what? What? Glitter. This is the Sailor Moon Color Pop Moon Prism Power. It's the purple one. You could also use the pink one because Kuromi's colors are like black, purple, and pink. I usually just take whatever's on the top here and I'll go like this. I just do that. This light is so bright it like washes it out completely. Gotta see what I actually look like here. Hold on. So next is my personal least favorite part here. But it makes it look so much better in my personal opinion. So you don't have to do this. But you're gonna wanna some lashes, and this is what I've been doing. It makes it a little bit easier. I put the lash glue on my actual eye like eyeliner, so that way the lash only sticks where you really want it to be at. I don't know, it just adds a certain cuntiness that it just otherwise doesn't get. So finally I'm just going to be putting on the wig, and I'm going to overload the wig with every Kuromi hair accessory that I own. Alright, so that's the finished look. I usually put more hair clips in, but I'm not trying to do all that right now. It's like, I don't know, 10 o'clock or something. So, I hope you liked it. It reads Kuromi, and especially if you're doing like a Sanrio group for Halloween. Yeah. So you know to buy, subscribe. See you later, all you haters.